What's up guys, I'm also with KickingPowersports.com. I've been gone for a long time, so now it's time to come back. We didn't have dirt bikes for a while because everything is sold out. We sold everything, and now we finally got more in, and these are new bikes, which is awesome. This is the Mototec brand. Mototec is the highest quality Chinese dirt bike on the market right now. They're the most expensive, the build quality is really good. So I'm really excited to announce that Kicking Powersports is selling the Mototec X1. It's technically a 70cc body with a 110cc engine in it right now. Later in the year, hopefully it'll be a 70cc body with a 70cc engine. But for now, the X1 110cc electric start. So we're gonna be assembling it today, obviously, because we don't have any built. Yes, we do have some built, but they're back. In the back. At 70. Alright, so now I have the frame off, and we're just gonna pull off all the bubble wrap and snip all the zip ties just to make it easier as we go on. Okay, so now I am undoing the bolts on the back shock. Then we just get that over there. You just lift it up. Slide that thing in. Now we slide the bolt through. You probably can't see because I'm on the other side. There we go. We take this, tighten it on. Awesome. Okay, now we're gonna do the bars. So, this box, and now I have Em in here to help with this, just to speed it up. Open your little brown box that comes inside of the bigger box. So in the box you'll find the MCO, and the manual. Two important things you don't want to lose, especially if you want to register your dirt bike or maintenance it. This goes over the bars, we'll put that on in a sec. This is for the gas cap. We'll throw these on right now. And so what you're gonna do, you're gonna take it apart like this. So like this thing, the top one's taken off. And you're gonna drop this guy in. I'm gonna push this thing up. Put it on both sides. Make sure to not snag any of the cords. That's not good. Or the wires, whatever you want to call them. This one you're gonna take a ratchet. Make your life easier. And size, say, probably a 12. Awesome. So right here, I didn't tighten the bottom all the way because you're gonna want to make sure they're straight for the bar because you want your bars to be straight. I guess the bars will be straight, but you don't want it to be like uneven between the two of these because that would really suck. It'd hurt the bar. So it's still loose on down here, and then after we put the bar on, we'll finish tightening them. Dude, that's so much easier. I don't know why I freaking had you guys use not a drill this entire time for myself.
Yeah, I know, I saw him using it and I was like, wait, oh, that's so much easier.
Dude, yeah, it really is. Okay, so we tightened down the bar. Now we're gonna tighten down here, just below the bar. Pretty important. Alright, so we just took the front bolt off. We still need to tighten the handlebars down a little bit more. But now the front, what's it called again? Through axle is off. The way the X1 lifts is there's no bolt bars under here except for right here. You grab right here into the seat, kind of like cool feature. Okay, now we're taking the front tire, front wheel, not tire. Pull off this little wrapping. Take this thing. Now there's two. This is really important. There's two sizes of these little speed rings. One is slightly bigger than the other, like a tiny bit. The one that's a tiny bit bigger than the other goes on the brake side. And that's really important to make sure your dirt bike drives right and brakes right. Because if not, you could get hurt. That is not fun. So I need to put the axle in. Okay, I'm careful, 1 sec. Push this up. Now we're gonna take this, just make sure. Oh yeah, that's tight. Okay, that's done. Now we're gonna put the plastics on. Oh wait, I guess first we can throw this thingy on, as well as this. So I'll put that one right after. Take this thing, put it on, read the warning. Very important. Push this thing down and through. And on the other side, it's hard to see, but you Velcro it on together. It is done. Push this thing in. Just put it on there. Okay, now we're gonna put the plates on. I probably should have done this without the front wheel on. Now it's gonna take longer because I don't think I can use the drill for most of it, but that's okay. So Ammon's gonna come over here and he's gonna help me. Ammon's going to start unscrewing these ones from me. I'm gonna unscrew this one since there's just like 4. Oh, there's only 2 under here, that's nice. There's 2 little bolts. You take the 10, or it's an 8. That's bolts. For sure. So now we're gonna take this and put it on. 2 bolts down here, and tighten it down. Okay, we just did the front fender. Now we're going to unscrew this boy. Awesome. Now you just put this on, tighten it. Awesome. Sweet, and now we're just gonna take this off, do a run over, make sure I didn't forget anything, and it's gonna be done. Okay, now Ammon and I are gonna start pulling all these things off. And we're gonna call it good. So for the X1, Carden left, the camera died, and I realized we hadn't done the battery in it yet. So this is the X1. So what you do is you're gonna come down here, you're gonna unscrew this little bolt right here, and actually I'll pull it off so I can show you. You're gonna pull the seat straight up, like this. Then you're gonna see the battery, and I already connected it, but the battery was not connected before. You'll have a little package right here that has the screws and the little nuts that you put in. And you're gonna put the black one on first because it's the ground. Then you're gonna put the red one on, and then you're good to go. Take this little prong right here, slide it onto that. I don't know if you can see, I hope you can. Oh, that's just tough. Then you push the seat back on. Make sure it's good. Yeah, nice. Then you take the bolt and washer, put them on, then your bike's ready to go. Alright, this is the Mototec X1. We just did an assembly on it. It's super awesome. Subscribe for more. We're going to do a top speed video on it, as well as a first start video and a tuning video on it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, please subscribe for more like this. And go to kickinpowersports.com to get one for yourself.